Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Libby app for audiobooks. First, open the Libby app on your mobile device. Now they'll ask if you have a library card. You can select yes, I have or not yet, depending on your situation. Here, tap on Find Libraries Nearby to locate your local library. Now you can zoom in on the map to see all the branches available in your area. Use the map to zoom and move around until you find your preferred library. Then, tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Here, you can search for your library name, city, or zip code to find it quickly. Once you find it, tap on your library name. Here, you can add a library card for your selected location, so you can borrow audiobook titles and place holds. Now scroll down and you'll see titles in the biography and memoir section. Then check the leadership section and explore the audiobook titles there too. Scroll down further to browse even more categories and options. Now tap on the shelf button from the bottom menu. Here you'll find options like loans, holds, timeline, or notices to manage your borrowed audiobooks. Then check the other sections of the app and enjoy listening to your favorite audiobooks anytime you like. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.